A step-by-step tutorial for folding a heart-shaped box. You should already have a template. If not, please watch my other video. What do you need? A bone folder, a glue roller, and a piece of string or ribbon. We are going to separate the stencil from the mat. I do this by turning the mat over and removing the stencil like this. Be sure to keep the bone folder inside, because we will need it soon. First, we are going to fold all straight lines. Make sure you fold the corners properly. I fold the paper the opposite way as well, to make sure the fold is pliable. Continue folding the other straight lines. Now this will become the side of the box. Pay close attention to folding the tip. It almost went wrong for me here. Press the fold firmly between thumb and index finger. Carry out the steps on the other side as well. This step will be glued, but we have to fold it first. The template got 2 horizontal lines. We will fold using the bone folder. I do this by pressing the bone folder into the paper and pushing the point well into the corner where the multiple fold lines come together. With the use of my fingers, I fold it the opposite way as well. Repeat the process on the other side. Now moving over to the rounded fold lines. Place the bone folder in the fold line and follow the arch carefully. With your other hand, gently apply pressure, making a deep fold. I will go over it a few more times to make sure the fold is deep enough. Let's continue on the same side doing the other arch. Just like all folds, bend it the opposite way as well. Once again, moving over to the other side, repeating the process. With the help of the glue roller, apply glue to the tab. I put some extra glue into the corner. Stick these sides together. And just to be sure, apply some pressure to make sure it sticks together. You can now put your present in or fill the box in any other way. You close the box by placing your fingers in these corners when doing so. Closing it by threading a piece of ribbon or string through the holes. Finishing it by making a bow, for example. You're all set! Thank you for watching. I hope the video was useful to you. Have fun with the box! Please check out my Etsy store. Use the code HELLO from YouTube to get 10% off. Check out the video description for more details. Hey, have you seen my other videos where I show you how to fold other designs or how to set up your Cricut? Be sure to check them out.